Okay, I'm going to pick someone else out. So,
Sorry, can I ask a question on the previous page, 65?
Yes, bismillah.
Okay, not the last, the sentence before the last at the beginning. Waman, that one?
This one?
The noon has sukoon and kasra together. How is that?
Right. So for me, what I understand is there shouldn't actually be a sukoon here. So based on that, according to one opinion, I can say it's a typo. But according to another opinion, I could say they probably left it there for learning purposes. Why? Because the word man by default will always have a sukoon. But if you join it onto a word which has alif lam, or is definite, in other words, it will always be given a jar, a kasra. So you will say wamanil waladu. Okay. And if it's the word min, as in from, so min with the kasra here and sukoon, that will be the default position. But if we join min to a word with alif lam, it will be minal. So that's a slight difference between the two. So min with alif lam will be wa minal waladi. Man will be wa manil waladi. So that's a slight point we need to be aware of. Okay.
So this particular one would be wamanil.
Yes, because it's man. So when man, the standard rule is when man joins onto the word with alif lam, it will always join with a jar, a kasra. Wamanil waladu. Okay.
Is it? Excuse me. Is it also possible that the next word, wamin, would have been a sukoon, and in the next letter is also a sukoon. So when there are two sukoons, then noon will take kasra.
Yes, that's an advanced rule, but you are right. That is one of the rules of Arabic language, although we haven't officially come to that. But yes, that is correct. There is a saying in Arabic, which doesn't come to mind, but yes, when you have a situation which presents itself with two sukoons, then generally you give it a kasra, but that rule does change in certain places throughout Quran and Arabic language. But inshallah, we will come more to those small bits surely and slowly, inshallah. But all I'm trying to
printing mistake is here, maybe I can say.
Sorry?
Printing mistake is in here, maybe.
Yes, so that was the first opinion. That yes, it could be a printing mistake. You see, because I'm also obviously I'm quite involved with answering fatwas and a lot of rules and regulation for some of you who are part of the groups where I do answer questions. So I like to give an approach, a fiqhi approach, where according to one opinion, it could just be a typing error. But then if we talk about giving a greater depth and breadth to what the author has done, then it could be for learning purposes, i.e. man initially by default is sukoon. But when you join it onto alif lam, it's given a jar. Okay? So normally there is a hadith which is to the nearest meaning that if you do see someone do any action of negative or a negative nature, try and make the most excuses, or give that person the most excuses to think good of him. So Sharia, subhanallah, is beautiful. Okay, Sister Sire, if you don't mind, would you like to read the next two words? Sorry, sentences.
Where are we? Is that the liman tilka?
Yes.
Liman tilka sayyaratul jamilatu. To whom does this beautiful car belong?
So tilka is?
Tilka is that.
Good.
For female.
Yes. Just like in the Quran, we have the third juz, tilka rusulu, those prophets. Okay. Okay.
هي للمدير الجديد. It belongs to the new head or director or new headmaster, head teacher.
Good. So here is a feminine pronoun. What is that referring to?
The car, because the car is feminine.
Good. As-sayyaratul jamila. Why? Yes. Al-mudir. Why does it have a jar?
it has a jar because the letter previous to it, they've got the alif lam there as well, and the letter previous to it, lil mudiri.
Good, because of the li. So we learned 5 huruful jar, which were fi, ala, min, ila, and li. We will be coming up to more, inshallah, but that's just to jog our memories. Okay, right. Next person, if we can have, who have we had? So, Sister Suad, would you like to do the next 2, inshallah?
Okay. لمن هذا الكتاب كبير لمن هذا الكتاب الكبير كبير
Good.
أهو للمدرس
Good.
لمن هذا الكتاب. Okay, who does the new book belong to?
So let's start with liman. What does liman mean?
Isn't that who it belongs to?
Belong. Good. So li means for or, yeah.
Who is it for? Like, who does it belong to?
So for who? هذا الكتاب الكبير.
Oh, okay. Who is this big kitab? Okay, kitabun kabir. Who does this big kitab belong to?
Yep.
أهو للمدرس. It's أهو. Is it? Yeah. That's a question. أهو is it?
Good.
للمدرس. Is it the principals, the head teachers?
For the teacher. So mudarris, teacher.
Okay.
So is it? So whenever comes, is it? Huwa, the masculine pronoun, referring back to.
Okay, to the owner of the kitab.
Basically.
To the owner of the book. Okay.
Yes. No, this is referring to Al-Kitab al-Kabir. So we're asking who, oh, sorry, 1 minute. Yes, because the mudarris is being, the question of man has been answered by mudarris, pretty much. But obviously it's come in the form of a question. So huwa is referring back to Al-Kitab al-Kabir, because it's asking whose is this big book? Is it, meaning is Al-Kitab al-Kabir for the teacher? Yeah.
Is it for the teacher? Okay.
Yeah. So again, masculine pronouns, feminine pronouns. It won't always refer back to human beings. It will refer back to objects. Okay. So huwa should give you an idea that it refers back to something masculine. Although good, you use your thinking well there, that potentially it could have been man, because potentially we're talking about mudarris. So I like the thinking. Next sentence, sister.
لا هو للطالبة الصغيرة.
Good.
No, it is for the young student.
You could say young, but saghira here means
small.
Yes, a small student. Yeah, I mean you could say young as well, I suppose, but I'm trying to just aim for precise translation in relation to what they actually mean. But if you feel confident in giving a more rounded translation, please feel free to do so. But yeah, so, it is for the small or the young taliba. Good. We have al taliba saghira. What sentence structure is that, sister?
Sorry, I don't understand what you mean by sentence structure.
As in the sentence structures that we've learned previously, possess, possessor, noun and its adjective. Which one is it?
Difficult question. I'm not sure how to explain this.
Okay, let's go through it.
If you ask me maybe more specifically, then maybe I will understand better.
Okay, so if I said, is it mawsuf sifa or mudaf ilayh?
Hold on.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. If you want to further your Islamic studies, click on the link below in the description. I'll see you on the other side.
I don't think. Okay, maybe مضاف إليه is possessed, and is it possessor? And
Good. Yes.
I think is more of that one.
You think so?
Yeah, because we're talking about something that belongs to someone. So this young student or small student is the owner of the book. So
Okay.
that's what I think.
Let's put it to practice and let's see if the rules fit best. So you said this is mudaf ilayh. So just remember it's got a li there. So if we take the li out, there would be an alif lam, just like as-saghira. Okay. So at-talibati as-saghira. So the mudaf or the possessed by default it is in the state of rafa, but here we've got a jar because of the li, which is acceptable. But the question is, does the possessed accept alif lam or tanween? That's the question.
I don't think so.
Okay, so here potentially we have an alif lam. So does that change your mind now, or do we carry on?
Then no, then I think it does change my mind. It's more of the other one, I think. I'm still not 100% sure, but it's not making sense that it's mudaf and mudaf ilayh.
Good. Okay. So what is the other one then?
I forgot what you call it.
Mawsuf sifa. So noun and its adjective. Yeah, mawsuf sifa, noun and its adjective. So let's put that to test. So at-talibati as-saghirati. Okay, let's just leave the li out for now. So point number one, are they both definite or indefinite? Do they have alif lam or tanween?
They're definite.
Definite. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Good. Point number two, is it masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Good. Point number three, is it singular or plural?
Singular.
Good. Point number four, do they have the same haraka, same signs? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this sentence structure is?
Would you call it Mansuf or Sifa?
Mawsuf sifa, mashallah. Mawsuf sifa, yeah. Just remember, guys, I said at the beginning of the course, I don't mind if you make a million mistakes, because the beauty of that million is you get much more to learn. Okay, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. Okay.
One more thing in this,
yes.
From the translation, we can make out it's a Mawsuf sifa straight away.
Absolutely, yeah, you can do. Definitely from the translation, you can as well. Also from the signs as well. My first impressions is always to look at the signs, because sometimes the translation can be deceiving, or sometimes you may not know the translations, but by looking at the signs, that will set off your mind. Is it mawsuf sifa? Is it mudaf mudaf ilayh? Is it definite indefinite? Should it have a jar? Should it have a rafa? So on and so forth. So already all of you, mashallah, the first term and the lessons we've done so far, you already got a whole host of rules that we've learned, but we're building that up, inshallah. We are all becoming Arab artists, inshallah.
So we just to recap, Mansuf is Mansuf the noun and Sifa the adjective, or which one is which one?
Yes, fantastic. Mawsuf means the one which is being described. Mawsuf. Okay, so that means the noun, and sifa means the quality, the adjective.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, barakallahu fiik. Okay, right. Can we have Brother Bilal? Can I have you do the next two lines, please?
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
No worries.
Okay, this one is أين الملعقة الصغيرة. Okay.
Good.
Okay, so where ملعقة would be أين, so where, and صغيرة is means small.
Something that the Western folk love to use with their cereal.
Something what?
The Western folk, people in the West like to use with the cereal, or should I say, something which the people in the southeast of Asia love to use with their biryani.
Love to use his biryani.
Now the thing is, I don't fancy eating my biryani with a fork. So what would your suggestion be?
I eat with hands.
Alhamdulillah, sunnah.
Oh,
MashaAllah.
Yeah.
okay. ملعقة spoon.
Yes, good.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, so where is the small spoon?
Good.
Okay. هي في كوبي.
Yes.
Okay. Kubi would be here. It is in the Kubi would be. Give me a hint. No,
Give
again.
you a hint. So can you have your biryani without something else with it?
Can I have biryani without something else?
To
No,
keep
no,
your
there's
throat moist, what do you need?
okay. Water.
Good. I was afraid you were going to say a Coke bottle, but alhamdulillah, you didn't. So that's a relief. Right. Al-Gub. Okay.
Okay, so here, okay, yeah. So it is in the water.
It is in the cup.
In the sorry,
Yeah.
cup.
Yeah.
It is
So
in the cup. Okay.
good. Al-Gub is cup. So here is feminine. What is that referring to?
Sorry, but here is mean like the spoon. Sorry.
Yes. Al-mil'aqatu as-saghiratu. So
Small
here,
spoon.
good. So here, because it's feminine, is referring to al-mil'aqatu as-saghiratu. Why is al-kub got a jar?
Will Kobe because of fill and this because of fill and lam.
So just fi,
Fil
not
Kobe.
alif lam, just
Fi,
fi,
yeah.
yeah? Because it's
Oh,
among the
okay.
huruf al-jar, the prefixes which give a noun, a jar. Good. Okay,
Kobe,
fantastic.
yes.
Okay, Sister Faria, would you like to read the next two for us?
أين الكرسي كرسي مكسور. Where is the broken chair?
Al-maksu.
المكسور.
Good.
So هو هناك. It is over there.
Good. Okay, alhamdulillah.
أين الكرسي المكسور? Okay. المكسور. Why?
I don't want to give any clues, Sister Faria, so I'll leave you to it.
أين الكرسي المكسور? It's not Gaslano's thing, isn't it? That is, some words never change. So
No.
no,
This
it's
is a
not.
normal word.
المكسور.
Do you know how to cheat?
أين الكرسي? Where is the broken chair?
Good. Where is the broken chair? Good. So al-kursiyul maksuru. So al-kursiyul maksuru, what sentence structure is that?
Possessor? No, sorry. Al-kursi maksud, the broken chair. So, Sifa Masuf.
Yes, Mawsuf, Sifa, yes, absolutely.
Masuf Sifa.
Okay, alhamdulillah, that's good. Okay, fantastic. All right, okay, so we're coming to the end of our lesson, inshallah. Before we do, I'm going to give some homework. So please be aware that homework is going to slightly increase, but I will try and give a few quick fire questions with the homework that we have by picking people at random, inshallah. So if I don't pick you, please type your name in the chat box. It's not intentional, but it's just trying to make sure that everyone gets a turn, inshallah. Okay, so we are now on page 66. So if one of you could kindly write it down for me and post it in the classroom, I would appreciate that. So okay, Jazakallah khair, Sister Kashmira. Okay, so question number 1 on page 66. Okay, that's got quite a few up until page 67. So I want you to do question 1. It's got 10 questions. Okay, so in that, basically it's saying here read and write. Okay, I would like you to read and I would like you to translate and do some investigation on some of the rules that we've learned. Okay, if you've got time, feel free to write. Okay, but read, translate, and work on some of the sentence structures and the rules that we have. Okay, so for example, al-qalam al-maksuru ala al-maktabi. So al-qalam has alif lam, so it's definite. This has alif lam, so it's definite. So al-qalam al-maksuru, right? So this is it looks like a sentence structure. So which one is it? It's a mawsuf sifa, right? Okay, so we have ala here. Yes, it's one of the prefixes. What does it do? It gives a noun, a jar. We have al-maktabi, alif lam, definite. Oh, it has a jar here. That's because of the ala. So this is the sort of thinking I want you to do during your homework. Okay, that's the first question. Question number 2. Okay, so here you have question number 2 up until number 11. So you've got to fill in the appropriate adjectives, okay, with alif lam. So for example, here you've got jadid. It should be al-jadidu. Just an example. Aina al-mudarrisul jadidu. So all the qualities that you have in the brackets, you've got to put them with alif lam. So that's basically what you're saying. Fill in the brackets, and same again. Read, translate, and work on the sentence structure. Okay, so that's question number 2 on page 67, inshallah. Okay, question number 2. So please do look through that. And I think we'll go for question number 3 as well, inshallah. I want you to push yourselves, inshallah. Okay. Yeah, so let's do question number 3 as well. We won't do question number 4 on page 68. So page 68, question number 3. So same again. I want you to read through all these sentences up to number 4. Question number 3, page 68. Again, read, translate, and work on the sentence structure. So you've got 3 pages of back-to-back sentences. I want you to read them. I want you to translate them. And I want you to, inshallah, work on the sentence structure. Okay, so I'll just repeat that again. So page 66, question 1, read, translate, and work on the sentence structure. Page 67, question number 2. Okay, again, read through, make the words in the brackets into an adjective with alif lam, translate, and work on sentence structure. Page 67, page 68, question number 3. Again, I want you to read, translate, and work on the sentence structure. Okay, so next lesson we're going to start straight away by looking into these questions, inshallah. Okay, right. If you just give me, and we will be resuming from page 68. So please jot that down as well. We will be resuming from page 68, inshallah ta'ala. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. If you want to further your Arabic studies, click in the link below in the description. I'll see you on the other side.